This webinar will be covering Aspect's user creation. Let us begin. Users will only be set up if they are going to interact with Aspect via Windows login or the tablet on the floor and do tasks such as start and stop jobs, add comments, enter downtimes, enter rejects, do high-level analysis, etc. Let us call this advanced interaction. The user is a physical person rather than a Windows logon. To set a user up, on the left menu bar, we select Setup, then User. We will start by ensuring we are on a new entry screen. Enter the first name and last name. Note, the first and last name combined must not be more than 20 characters. The initials will automatically generate. If the initials are already used, you can overwrite them. You will only know if they are used when you save the entry. We will then assign a 3 to 4-digit PIN number in the Employee ID field. We recommend their actual employee ID number by using the last 3 digits. We can now save this entry. This is the minimum data required to add a user. Let us now look at the additional fields and functions. To find a user, we select the magnifying glass. The search criteria is based on either first or last name. Once we found the user, we select Edit. We will ignore the password function for now. If a user will start and stop jobs, we will select the Start Jobs box. An email can be entered for a user that will be assigned an action created within Aspect. You can test the email by selecting the Test Email button. If the user will be getting emails for actions, you will click on the Send Action Emails box. We recommend a group email address, for example maintenance. The phone field is just an information field. If a user with advanced interaction might occasionally be on the floor doing packing of products and scanning, we will create a personnel association by selecting Associate. Where staff are involved in duties that don't require advanced interaction with Aspect, they don't need to be set up as a user. These will most likely be packers. These staff can be set up as personnel under product definition. They will be given an employee ID. This ID, however, will not work on any of the advanced functions. It will only work on the scanning function on the tablets or mobiles. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.